Hey, I'm here. What's going on, you guys? Boggle the Bobcat here. I just kind of pray. You had you ever wicked to do is say, you got just it's right here. I got home with that I got it was just so true about it. I got bro problem with that gonna just asking it just say. And today, well, perhaps you could know about what's only the pro had to drink this. Because sometimes the pro is only from the genius about from the say if I try. You know where there are no helper and hatches that it's right just afraid. You can handle it the problems that others is just got probably. Is that supposed to mean though it had to borrow a whole nerve and whipper veil this brownie? Oh, remember, the guy bro said try it though going to Sony current merely dress all day. The guy bro owner said if you could prove it, you gotta just separate anywhere from mirror from. A job bro, one way go just once. Oh, hey, where you going? You know what does it? Could you do a program one hit just say just you think other programs only there? I'm Boggle the Bobcat Cheeto. I just gonna this is a annual you're just gonna persona hat just say. You're gonna pray out with it just how you draw pro so trying. I don't want anything out there supposed to say you was supposed to be up for one person. Hey, Chase, darling grandson, see here. He bro was in. Oh yeah, you are here. Oh, it's Belgian on Facebook. It's your auntie. My auntie Belgian? That was just ago for me to my Facebook. Is this I did the veil. Yeah, that's my line. You know what? It reminds me of your bro said, "Try your bro was getting tried to say." You got bro say, "Try." You're gonna have to your bro so try and they say you do work that you do work just kind of important on this photo. I don't have for you do it. I tell you what, you just so try your bro. It'll be a lucky day. The bro is there's nothing about with try you solo try for saying it to try. Just as I was expecting. It shows all right. Well, you know when they ask this is a purpose, you just say, bro, that is just stupid or worse. Hey, don't be a bro with say, I'll try your own self, while you're doing roles I ain't trying. Okay, I got a bro owner. You got a bro, you say, I got this to see, bro, they just stole it. Okay, where is that the prognosis? Oh no, it's nothing. Hey, Dingy, how's it going? Because what you do have with this trip? Would you not have what you do going to myself in front? Oh, yeah, Captain. I'm just sorry, I'm just it's Captain. I'm Captain in Bungle the Bobcat. I'm Captain Chase Darling Grandson too. Yeah. It'll be a problem that you'll have to trust God and trust someone. It's sometimes you to world turning to sort of like if I do, say it might do you just try how to say you know wherever with the sort of you have to well me do you to ask it to me the pro was supposed to be a bro say had to because pray to whoa hey take it easy now. Just never have a door Roman and said like turning. Because it's coming up Patrick stay at it's coming. You got it your scotch is stay at 20 of sheep and yaks. My sheep and yaks? My big pipe? And that Prometo is so true. And it was just gonna just so you should be asking it's just a promo. Yeah, of course I am. I don't know. I don't even remember her doing solo browsing. Uh, this is ridiculous. I don't know what browser you're trying. You're gonna. Well, Joe, Connie, we're just gonna time out. How do you say? You got it, Joe. Let me get this straight. You're gonna so much. Emma, do you folks so you trying to throw my hat so you're trying. Should be a right back. You know what? Whoa, whoa, that's my line. Go out, I get it to take it interesting. See? Kinda look at it, bro. Did you only like it, bro? Was to look at the front, which was like with that foot. Remember that? You see how he got in my foot, he got footprint? He got just right as you draw probably so electronic. Hey, wait a minute. I don't know that joy, but Roman that joy kind of spelled it. I don't. So please, I just got in so try mode that joy corner so electronic. Gotcha. I get that so joy probably so in. Really, really? You know what that society chart right? What the hell is that? It just gonna sit about what is. You know, I'm not doing bro, really, do you just say, never mind, do you just solo. I'm not solo. It's the prince I had just separated. It's a ridiculous say it or whatever. If you can bro with this say it right by your joy, right by your sister like you bro. It's those are your joy Cheetos bag just a owner is this say. But this is a green peppers a Cheeto and crunchy Cheeto and Cheetos Pops. And this is a Trout Pro so you're just a little paired. You know? I'm a Bobcat Cheetah. I just got on this is a Trout Pro say it's a woman just say a pro one. So it would be a bird was a to bring a hatch as a to conny price a to resold the triggers. I know with the hats a to trick toes all the day trying. Hey, you just gonna probably just quantum bro, but listen to me though bro, this is the papa. I'm not just gonna really. Hey, that's my nose. I couldn't tell you, bro. It was solely jerk from. Boggle, please wait. Hatchet, you can stay. I don't ever sunset this. Yeah. If I can stay. Okay, everybody, just gentlemen, it's coming, Joy. Only the Patrick Steak does. It's coming. And it, look at the ducks. It's ducks here. A duck. So if I can't tell you, bro, we sell it to a person. Sort of. Wherever it just got over sort of condoms. Well, now, why you just gonna tell you, bro, we say, over, look at the ducks saying frogs and snakes. It's just nice sprayed. You get a probably only how to say it, bro. You just tell you, bro, no, that just it. If you could just buy one mail a pro hat, you could have your price of your probably. So, what you want to look at that? Well, I don't tell you, bro. I didn't see anything. Maybe only a bro say trying to say. Because I promise I had your bro. It's I just gonna really had your road sellers. You know, I should be a purpose of worst say person. Can you do look at the pine corns? If I would. That's how I meet there was a say trip I was saying this. This is a trend over as I remember that you're so trend. Exactly. It's just a look like I would say. just for your nose to look at the boogers. What? What do you mean? Yes, you can. You gotta reverse the say, bro. You can go blow that nose. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah? That's your feeling. I don't want bro destroying the pro social bro. I suppose me bro wants to say truth. Yeah. Sometimes say you think say you bro say just it yeah. What was this I'm not doing anyway. Your mom by your joy bro just is coming at door at 6:30. Just remember, this is a only a pro address. I can pray. Why pray only at your forgot it though you bro was illness? Oh. What you doing bro all here? You see? I'm not doing for really this is a treatise. Oh. Unfortunately. I will I do is just go down with this. Look at that bro was a jump. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. There was a. I never get that job. Bro, maybe like this. It just gonna you gonna throw it. I just gonna hold it. You gonna okay. You're right, Joe. Right. That's it, folks. Just thanks for watching. See you later.